next question, let's talk about AI governance. I know that with the MCP integration that you have, Databricks is providing that governance, your partner. And so my question is, how do you prevent kind of the AI nightmare scenario where the AI has unfiltered access to all of your systems?
Yeah. So this kind of falls for me in the category of like, good question, because there's a lot of AI doomers.
A lot of them.
Not in that camp, right? And like most things, you just have to make some plans and take some steps to make sure that you're using that tech safely. By the way, that was no different than the first time we put social security numbers in a database.
Right.
Right? And by the way, we still ship people badges and they can get into access to buildings and we give them passwords and sometimes they use bad passwords. So I'm a little less in the AI doomer camp. This is just another thing we have to work through. The partnership with Databricks was all about bringing like really enterprise grade governance and security to this platform out of the gate. So that in addition to rethinking how you're going to build a connection center, you also didn't have to have a bunch of people put additional time and effort into worrying about the doomsday scenario. And listen, their technology is great. They, there's ways for you to audit what's gone on, but I think most importantly, they sort of have this judging capability, right? And so you're kind of judging and scoring. And I know you've talked about this in other interviews. Maybe we'll spend a couple seconds on it now.
Sure.
You want to know if the AI is doing a good job.
Yeah.
Right? And so somebody has to be in the game of trying to figure out, let's call it balls and strikes. And Databricks brings some of that to the table right out of the gate, which is really, really helpful. And, from our perspective, we're not in the business, and I told you this the last time I saw you, like we're not going to be in the business of building a core AI backend. That's not what we want to do.
Right.
So the partnership with Databricks brings real core expertise from them to the platform right away and lets our customers interact with AI in a way that is governed and is safe with a leading provider. It's awesome. It's a great partnership.